Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
I will discuss about the right circular cone, not only the right circular cone, combined with a right circular cylinder, but mainly I will discuss about the right circular cone. Okay. Now, this is the right circular cone. Here it is vertical height, okay. It is radius and it is slant height, and this angle theta be the vertical angle, and also this angle is semi vertical angle. Okay. Now, we have to prove the surface area of the right circular cone. If we take a circular piece of paper and cut a section, this is L and this is also L, that means the radius. We denote L. If we fold it like this, it will form a circular cone. This is the base of the cone, this is the slant height and this is the vertical height. Okay. Now, let this angle be theta. Clear? We know that theta by 360 degree equal to 2 pi r by 2 pi l. 2 pi r be the section, 2 pi r be the, this circumference is denoted 2 pi r, and if this paper be folded like this, so the circular region, base of the circular region be 2 pi l. Okay. Now, area of the sector will be area of the sector be theta by 360 degree into pi l square. L be the radius of the circular portion. Clear? Now, theta by 360 degree equal to 2 pi r, if we cancel this. So, we have r by l into pi l square. So, cancelling this, we have pi r l. This is the area of the surface of the right circular cone. Understand? Now, this area of the surface of the cone be proved by another method. Okay. Now, let it be a circular portion and this is a sector. Clear? If we take the small portion B1, B2, B3, so each portion B form a triangle. So, area of the triangle be half into base into height. So, area of the entire piece of the paper will be half L B 1 plus half L B 2 plus half L B 3 and dot 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 up to n. If we take common, so B 1 plus B 2 plus up to B n. Clear? So, it will be half into L into length of the entire curved boundary. Clear? Entire curved boundary. It will be written as 2 pi r. Clear? If we cancel, so we have pi r l. This is another way to prove the surface of the cone. Understand everybody? Now, the volume of the cone. One third pi r square into h. Clear? And the total surface will be curved surface plus pi r square. Formula of curved surface is pi r l and the area of base pi r square, that is the circular region. Okay. If we take common pi r plus l. So, three types of formula be arranged. Volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h, total surface will be pi r l plus pi r square or pi r plus l, and the area of the surface is pi r l. Clear? Now, if we take an example, this is a cylindrical tank. Okay. Take some water at some certain height. Here height is not be given out. But the question is, if a solid metal cube like this, whose radius h and vertical height h be poured into the water be rises up to a certain height. Let the height be x. Now, the question is, find the height of the rising level of water. Clear? Let us take, this is R. From Archimedes law, we know that the rising water, the volume of the rising water will be the same as the volume of the cone. Okay. So, 1/3 pi r square h equal to pi r square into x. So, from this we have 1 cancelling pi, sorry, it will be taken capital R, it not to be cancelled. Okay. This will be a mistake, and from this we have one third pi r square into h equal to pi r square into x. So, cancelling pi we get 1/3 r square h by r square. This is the final stage of the rising height. Clear? Let us take another example. If we take two right circular cone, it is height and this is a right circular cone. Okay. Here given that let us take this is r 1 and this radius r 2, this height h 1 and this height h 2. Clear? Given that ratio of the radius of the two given figure 1:2, and the ratio of the height, that means equal to r 1 is to r 2, sorry, and the ratio of the height of the two given figures 3:4. Now, we have to find the ratio of the volume of the two figure. Clear? Now, V 1 equal to 1/3 pi r 1 square into h, V 2 equal to 1/3 pi r 2 square into h. Clear? So, if we divide V 1 by V 2, so 1/3 be cancelled. So, we have here it is h 1 and here it is h 2. So, r 1 by r 2 we must write r 1 by r 2 whole square into h 1 by h 2. Clear? So, we put the value of the ratio r 1 and r 2, we have 1 by 2 whole square into 3 by 4. So, we get 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. So, the ratio will be 3 by 16. Understand? This type of the sum is clear to construct your mind to solve the various types of the problem, and you must try to solve another problem. I will teach you about the right circular cone, various topics. Another portion of the right circular cone is first term. First term is like this. This is first term. Clear? If we complete this figure, this is the formation of the whole right circular cone. Here, if it is h, small h, taken small h, and here the total height is taken capital H, and here the radius taken capital R, and here it is smaller. Clear? So, from this figure, if we take this portion, the law of the similarity h by h equal to r by r. If we have to find the volume of this figure, so we must find out the total volume. Total volume will be one third pi r square into h Clear? The total volume will be pi r square into h. And the volume of the upper portion will be 1/3 pi r square into h. If we subtract from first to second, we have minus 1/3 pi r square into h. So, we reach at the final stage but here capital R, capital H, small r and small h are the 4 unknowns. With the help of this relation, we have to find out the value of the portion h by h equal to r by r. So, this is the simplest way to find out the volume of the first term. Clear? Next, I will teach you about the various sums which are related to circular cone.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.